Alright guys, continuing on with the lifter saga here. This is a Mercedes SL63. I didn't get to check the year of it yet. However, this old girl is tapping away. Yeah, the customer just brought it in yesterday and we could hear it pulling in. That's how loud the lifters were tapping. And yeah, it seems to be just like that blue C63 that I made a little video on, that misfire diagnosis video. So yeah, we're just gonna do the same thing, rip off those valve covers and investigate further. So I'll show you guys what we find, but for now I'm just gonna pull it in. So I have it pulled into the bay right now. I've also found out this is a 2009 SL63 AMG M156 engine. So it's going tappity tap out of this bank over here, the driver's side engine bank. And I wanted to show you guys how it sounds as well. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to keep it running too much, but gonna give you a quick sound. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and start her up. Alright guys, so we got both valve covers ripped off, as you can see. And what we found was quite interesting. So, thanks sir. It looks like the head bolts had been recently replaced on these earlier M156 engines. So yeah, I'll just skip that and get right into the good stuff. What we found is that the front cam caps on the bank number 2 were only hand tightened on there. You can see it rattling around in there. It's pretty crazy. That's a first for me. And it looks actually fairly clean under here, just like that C63. Looks clean, but it just looks like either it was run low on oil at one point or it got really hot as well. So yeah, you can see there's a lot of score marks on the cams, and it seems as though the camshaft itself actually shifted back. It's not quite seated. I can't really show it on video, but it's pretty apparent that that's the issue here. And yeah, we'll see what we come up with as far as the game plan as tackling this. Of course, the customer has to be notified, and gonna have to see what his goals are with the car, and we'll take it from there.